Hello friends, so I'm back with another unboxing, and this is very special because I never had something like this. Is S20 Ultra. So I never had a series, and it has S Pen, and last time I had something like this was Note 8, but that was Note, and that was many years ago. I don't even remember. So this is very nice. I got really early. You see, in Brazil they will launch on uh, in 20th of March. So considering all that is very early. I'm just doing a small quick video for me to really show you the things. Wow, I was thinking the box is big, but the box is not big. But they did very interesting packing, you see. One another, and now finally the box is inside this, so they are really careful. And here is the box of S26 Ultra, and yes, so let's open it. And here we go. Nowadays they are very smart. You see, you don't need anything. You can open without any knife or anything. So this is our box. I decided to buy the white one. I never had anything white. So you see, this is the S26 Ultra, and the back is white. It almost frosted. I'm happy that I already got the screen protector. I bought already. I will put I will do it. It has S Pen, you see. Now I don't know why. Okay, so this is white S Pen, which is also very good. And right, so I will do other stuff. So what else we have? Nothing much, I think so. This is nothing. Maybe some books. Let's see very quickly. I think it has nothing. Wow, can you see? This is only for production of the screen, and only for camera cutout. This is nothing. I'm sure they give the charger in Brazil. So here is the charger, and somewhere must be the wire. Don't tell me that they don't give wire. Really bad, they don't give wire also. What is this, Need to give wire. No wire. They assume us to buy wire also. I was thinking they will give wire. So that's it. Phone and charger. I will do another video for that. So